Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka balang Unitarian Madan Laban. Kala Rakhe ya ka jingdap sispa lai puprasnam haka khatparatrek unailur arajar arpsan haka baki riunget kila pelong ya ki jingduai haki yingmani jong ka balang Unitarian. Haka jingeseng la sakilang da UMP ka Shillong u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon u balalong kum u kongsan u MDC Kalaban Mawmer u ba Ricky Shulai kum u sembut kongsan. La pensyong kun ya ka jing Rakhe da ki jing roi basyo mensiem bad da ki jingkran na ki nongelam kabalang ki bala penpau ya ka jing roi jong kabalang hapo kanikathan nadu bala seng nongrem shispa snem tam menswa.
Madan kecingen kawa kecingen endam setia. Atu kita kecingen kelak penting yu. Kumbang kan komisi kolong kebayang. Kumtar kecingen kan kecingen kolong kebayang. Hendrai dan kolong ki dan kecingen hendrai na dan kecingen. Tupiki ke hanga ya kata kecingen tupi kabakhan kecingen. Bat mga kecingen jonga man ni ya kecingen. Wakai bunyi tanggal kini demi tanggal kini sudah. Hendai hati cine bakat kecisa. Usah contoh musim ulang kecingin, kecingkemen, kecingsu, kecingsisa, kecingsukun, jingha jingine jinjanur bakabor halor lagi tabang idan kipor babe to ay ne ko ba akibre ko hinray hamtam hamita ibana kikur jinge hab jinge ko na bangi tulong be jan se pra jinge puram tulong ki bay nyoko parlo to ikumelan bat kita ke be ikumen to ya bat kita ke be ya lada tulong kepala kat pasau boraki to ya imso bat ki be baro wajib mengkai martian besir namar besir dulu hindai la busul yapi tuan tu ai jibami ada siang tu ai jibi ablay undang pangkia barang pangklaim yapi dono balwai
Lessons that we find in Scripture, which we all know, the parable of the Good Samaritan. In this story, which I am sure people of many faith, they heard and they go on this lesson or this parable of the Good Samaritan. Well, in this story, Jesus Christ introduced three groups of people, each of them defined by their attitude towards others in need. The first one are robbers, whose motto is, what is yours is mine, and I will take it for myself by any means. This group of people, to me, I believe to all of us who are present here, they embody selfishness and greed. Then there's the second group who belongs to the Levites and the priests, who passed by that golden man, but okay. Why? Because their motto in life is, what is mine is mine, and what is yours is yours. I will mind my business, and you mind my business. Well, this group of people, they represent indifference and apathy. And we come to the third, that is the Good Samaritan. The Good Samaritan heard the cry of this person who fell in the hands of the robbers, who was crying in pain. He heard, he went, he stopped. He stopped and cared for his wounded stranger. Why? Because his motto is, what is mine is also yours. The Good Samaritan embodies compassion, generosity, and a sense of love, and also a sense of responsibility for us. Dear friends, the message that we learn from this parable is actually for each one of us to ask the question. In which category do we belong? All of us are present here. Which category do we belong? And what is our motto in life? Are we like the robbers, taking from others without care? Are we like the priests and the Levites, ignoring and minding only our own affairs? Or are we like the Good Samaritan, who chose to serve and to share what we have with someone who is in need? Dear friends, as Unitarians, inspired by Hajjum Isorsi and guided by God's image within us, each one of us, I firmly believe, we are called to walk in the path of the Good Samaritan. Let us be reminded that we are not created for selfishness. We are not created with indifference, but we are all created to reflect God's love by caring for one another as brothers and sisters.
Shine